I hit you, bro.
You did not hit me.
Bullshit. I heard it bounce off you.
That wasn't me. I'm recording. If you want to see, I'm recording.
I thought was it him?
You got him and then I jumped up.
Oh, okay, my fault.
It's fine.
My fault.
Oh, my neck. My fucking neck.
Yo.
Hey! What the fuck, bro?
Nigga, I can't hear you shit.
We have our guns up, bro. It's obvious.
Yeah, get the fuck out of the way, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
We're all dead and you're still shooting
shoot
at
me
us.
again, I'm gonna fucking dump you. I swear to God.
Shut up, nigga. I know you're talking to me that shit ass mouth. You're probably 12 years old, nigga. I know you're talking to me with that bitch ass shit. Damn. Just like his father, damn.
This guy's so mad, bro.
Go right. That's all.
This kid fucking sucks, bro.
Yo.
Holy shit. Stop shooting us!
That's Dane, bro.
How many times do you want me to say it? It's from our leader,
You guys good?
We're all dead.
No. It's Dane and them.
Huh?
It's Dane. No, these are our teammates now.
Oh shit.
My bad.
It's RV, I keep telling you.
I know, but there's also the annoying kids from school.
Okay. Ready? 3. What the fuck is going on?
Where are they? Wait,
Behind the bush. Don't waste your ammo.
Holy hell.
I just got fucking team kill.
I did see it.
At this point, it's
Yeah.
just spot.
We're hit.
We're hit. You are fucking stupid, bro.
I'm hit.
How many times do you want to say we're fucking hit?
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, dude, I keep telling you, RV is pushing them.
Bro, can you fucking let go?
Huh?
Right there.
What? What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know what you
Don't
want.
shoot them. I need a flashlight.
What are you doing, bro?
Y'all cheated.
Oh, chill the fuck out.
And then flashing a light at us, bro, after you're dead? Guilty by association.
Yeah, I guess. It's just airsoft.
We ain't gonna point a flashlight at you?
No.
Okay, then stop crying like a little bitch about it.
Shut the fuck up. It's not the fucking deal.
Stop crying about it.
Wild.
That fucking sucks, dude.
Yo, why are you so pissed? We just got all of you.
Oh, it's you guys. No wonder.
Spawned out of nowhere.
No, they walked
Oh yeah,
out. They
we
were
just
walking
walked
out
up.
there.
We didn't say we were hit. We just walked.
Ah, like you were just getting ready to get off anyways?
No, we weren't going
Like
on.
you're walking out
Might
the
as well
field.
walk up here,
Hey,
yeah.
and I asked you guys, you fucking Christ. Well, I'm just stuck here running with you guys. I'm getting fucking tired of it.
Yeah, it's because you're just fucking shit, bro. So toxic. Holy shit. Not that deep. They're hiding in these rooms. Yeah. Walk out, Dane. Walk out. Walk out, Dane. Walk out, Dane. Walk out, Dane. Walk out. Walk out. They're in the Bruins.
Hey, right here, right here.
Cuz I said come out. I said come out.
You want me? Are you gonna shoot me if I come out?
No.
There's Hey, Carlos, who's on our team?
No, no. Yeah, come out, Dane.
Coming out, dog.
Huh? You have a decoy?
Oh, fuck, hey.
He's in this room. He's right here. This room right here.
Hey, I got this. I got this. Come on, put
Nah, I got this.
Hold it, bro. What's your problem, dude?
What? I just shot you. It's airsoft.
Alright, I'll trap you in.
Shit, dude.
Yeah, 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 yeah.